Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. As you guys can see, like I told you guys, Zora dropped to 0.45 cent. I hope you guys accumulated at that price because Zora is starting to take off. Again, I see Zora as one of the biggest projects, and it is an altcoin, okay? I know a lot of people are tired of meme coins and they want value, they want utility. Well, Zora is utility. You could download the Zora app on your phone right now. You could start posting, making content, and getting paid to do so, right? You could download the app. There's utility here. There's a Docs founder. It is supported by Coinbase and the Base chain. It is on Robinhood. Is on the tier 1 exchanges. The only exchange I don't think it's on is Binance. No Binance yet, but it's on Upbit, OKX, Coinbase, and Robinhood, right? So retail investors that are new to the space, never use a centralized exchange or a decentralized exchange before, like Uniswap or Aerodrome. They never use an Aerodrome before. They'll just buy it on Robinhood, right? Very simple, very straight to the point. 234.83 million circulating, 525.35 million fully diluted FDV market cap for Zora. Again, 10 billion market cap for Zora, in my opinion, is child's play. 10 to 50 billion to 100 billion is even in the cards, in my opinion, okay? If you want to be conservative, maybe 5 to 10 billion is where the conservative targets are, right? So 5 billion market cap would put Zora at 50 cents, and 10 billion market cap would put Zora at $1, right? And I think $1 to $1 to $3 to $5, even $10 is in the cards for Zora. I will stick with that. Why do I say this? There's users, there's usability, there's an app you could download, there's people that are downloading the app, posting on Zora, getting paid to post on Zora. The base app integration, I could repeat it over and over again, but Zora is an amazing project, and I don't think you guys should ignore that, right? So like I said, it dropped down, and we had a pretty tough pullback recently in the market, and Zora dropped down to 0.045 cent. Now it's at 52 cent, and it's starting to break out, guys. As you can see, it's already starting to climb back up. I hope you guys bought down at the 0.45 cent mark. If not, you could enter right now. It's not a big deal, in my opinion. Like I said, 30,000 Zora, that's how much? $1,500. That's a lot, right? If you can't afford 100,000 Zora, because I know that's a ton of money, that 100,000 Zora right now is $5,251, right? I know that's a ton, right? So I know a lot of people can't afford that, even though some people have 200k, 300k, 400k, a million Zora, if not more. I know that's a lot, right? So obviously that's how the space is. There are gonna be people that have way more holdings than you do, but if you're just starting out, or you've been in the space and you're trying to build back your portfolio, you could start small and work your way up, man. All it takes is time, patience, and compounding those gains, right? So right now, 30,000 Zora is $1,500, and even if you could just afford 20,000 Zora, exactly $1,050, I think that's a great investment, man. 20,000 Zora, I think that's great. We go to $1, that's $20,000, right? We go to $2. You have 30,000 tokens, I should say. You get $30,000 at $1, right? We go to 50 cents. 50 cents of 20,000, right? That's $10,000 at 50 cents per Zora, right? I think that's great, man. I think that's a great investment. So I will keep, talking about Zora. Keep the updates coming. Again, I don't have, the biggest portfolio, right? I have a decent amount of Zora, which I'm very bullish on, and have other projects I cover on the channel as well that I'm bullish on. So this is me building back up my portfolio, basically, right? This is me starting over, man. So Zora, in my opinion, is one of those better bets to have, and I think it's a must for your portfolio. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.